Hey guys, and today on Patriot Contraptions, we're checking out my completed kayak trailer. Now, since the last time you saw this trailer back in episode 9 of the Dirt Jumper build, I've done several things to it. As you can see, I've added rails for it to hold the kayak better. I've also added fun noodles for supports. So all of that is new. Also, I've added this sort of gooseneck feature up front, which allows the trailer to go over the rear tire of the Dirt Jumper a lot better. And if I'm comparing it on some other type of bicycle, this also helps with clearance there. I've improved the hitching mechanism quite a bit. As on the previous episode, I had a C-clamp, which, yes, it would work for a long time, but the C-clamp really isn't convenient to take on and off of a bicycle, so got rid of the C-clamp. Now we have a nice, very simple mechanism, which uses a carabiner. Clip the trailer in, good to go. So check it out, this thing is extremely maneuverable. One of the biggest strengths is
And that wraps it up for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. I post videos of all sorts of cool homemade bicycles, contraptions of different sorts, and lots of how-tos as well. Also, if you have a question or comment for me, leave that below. I do my best to read every single one on my channel. So, until next time, Patriot Contraptions, hoping you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next video.